put the roof in the service position, pretty easy. You go to like you would drop the roof, hold down the button, but only to hold it so the roof opens about that much, 20, 30 centimeters, 12 inches. And then we'll hop outside and we'll do the rest. Okay, outside the car, nice and easy. Now, you flip up the back here and you'll see that the roof is in a channel, and that just pushes down. See, it's just a little, you see that there? The clip has got little teeth and it kind of sits in those teeth. Looks like a, yeah, so easy, one there. One on this side. And now the roof is detached. And you can flip it up. There is a strap here. Now, normally you'd have to undo 2 cables. You can see the end of it there broken. We're going to replace that in a second. I'll do a link to the video in a moment. You only need to undo it from one end, so top or bottom, up to you. It's a little ball socket setup, so nice and easy. Now there is this strap that's on the roof. Kind of handy to use it to tie the roof up. I open the roof a little bit more, you can see how much there, and just use that strap to go around and clip on and just loop it on the front. So this section's elastic, this is a taut nylon. So there we go, that's up and out of the way. But that is your roof in the service position. So now you can access and clean your drain plugs. Inspect here, that's your drain plug there if you need to clean it. See, that's our cable that's broken we need to replace. You can remove your engine compartment, everything is through here. So that is how to do your service compartment, your service position on your roof.